Hi, I'm Laura King, and I'm here to share with you that I was chosen to be a presenter at the National Hypnosis Guild this year. And I'm excited because I missed last year for some personal reasons, but I'm back this year and I'm excited. And I got the opportunity to come back because of all kinds of things I love doing. Anybody that knows me knows how much I love hypnosis and how much I love sharing. Those that don't know me, come and meet me, please. I'm going to teach a class on Saturday, August 10th at 2 o'clock. It's about learning. It's about how our brains learn. And I do these 6 keys to enhance learning to help you with your clients. It's ability to be more confident in what you're doing and strengthen the ability to learn through the subconscious mind. Seeing y'all are all hypnotists or want to be, or they're taking training, we learn how to develop effective study habits, increase motivation, improve the memory with hypnosis. Hypnosis is a great way to improve learning skills. And I love teaching this class because I've used it for so many years. My mentor 45 years ago used these same tools to help me get through college. I have a few learning disabilities, and with these techniques, I was able to go to college and get my degree. So I'm really, really proud of being able to share this with you, as you can be able to manage and help your clients, or maybe help yourself too, because we're always learning and it doesn't hurt to improve our skills. Then again, on Sunday, I get to teach another class. Now, this class means a lot to me. 9 a.m. Yes, get up Sunday morning and come see me. It's Beyond the Game. It's a workshop. It's a 3-hour workshop on the mental training strategies to base yourself as a sports hypnotist. Sports hypnosis is really a great career. I have directed my life in that area. Probably a good half of my practice is in the sports area. And what it's about is using these tools to enhance the mental toughness, the resilience, and the performance. So I teach you how to help your clients using all these tools. They're release performance anxiety, concentration, peak performance. And you learn how to do the process, and then we go in how to get your client to be successful at their sports. I'm very fortunate. I've worked with the United States equestrian team, the Paralympic team, and I'm very excited about Paris coming up soon. So I want to teach you how I help these athletes. I love to share and give you my information. And I really love this convention. So come and meet everybody. And it's the opportunity to enjoy meeting people that actually practice. I've been practicing now 24 years. I've been coming to the convention, I think, 23. And I'm proud to be part of the NGH. And the process that I'm going to teach you will help increase your bottom dollar. Sports hypnosis is a great asset to your practice. I am a full-time practicing hypnotist. I see about 38 to 42 people a week, and I love my practice. I love it. That's my life. Looking forward to meeting you.